back to my channel. I know I haven't been doing makeup videos or makeup related videos like in a really long time, but today I'm coming back with this look for you guys. It is kind of like a mermaid-ish inspired look of blues and purples. Those are like my favorite combinations, so that's why I do so many looks with these colors. I can't get enough of them. They're just my favorite colors, like blue and purple. Like, I love blue and purple faves. So yeah, and I'm really burnt because I was in a car wash. I was in a car wash, so like I'm like burnt with a T. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like and share this with your friends so they can see this look. And yeah, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by skincare, and I'm just using the charcoal mask from the Clear Skin collection from Avon, and I just applied it in my cheeks and my chin, and then going straight into the eyes, doing some brows. I'm using the brow, pretty basic procedure that I always do on my brows, and yeah, I'm just filling them in with the Cabral by Benefit. So now I'm using this XOXO eyebrow gel. I have been loving this lately so much. It's amazing. Keeps those brows in place. To prime the lids and clean out the underneath part of my brows, aka brow bone, I'm just using this concealer by MAC, and I love to use it for priming my lids. This eyeshadow is by Sasha Cosmetics, and it's just a really beautiful blue. And with that concealer, I did not set it at all, so I can pack on those colors and make them look really nice and bright. And now I'm using a slightly lighter blue. This is from the Jewel Pop palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's amazing. I've been loving that palette lately. And to blend it out even more and smoke out those colors, I'm using this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. And then back to the e.l.f. Cosmetics palette, I'm using that purple and kind of doing a transition shade in between blue and a little pink. Now I'm using the Burst Skin Concealer from Maybelline and cutting out my crease. I'm using the e.l.f. by e.l.f. with Cristiano Serrano, I believe is the name. I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm using that teal, which is so beautiful all over the lid. Going back to the Huda Beauty and just like kind of blending out those shimmers in the outer corner with the mattes. Now for a little more pop of color, because we just need more color, of course. I'm using the Vivid Sprites by NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, and now I'm just gonna clean out that face mask and start with my skin. Just using some moisturizer. Moisturizer, and this is by Neutrogena, and then I'm using the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray, and that's just to prime my skin. And now to make my skin really nice and glowy, I'm using this glow stick by NYX. And for foundation, I'm using the Peach Perfect foundation from Too Faced. It's my go-to foundation. I love it. It's so natural and beautiful. Just using a flat brush to apply it. And for concealer, I'm using the MAC concealer I used to prime my lids, and I'm just highlighting with that as well, because a little goes a long way, and I accidentally applied way too much on my hand, so I just used it all over where I could highlight with it. Now for contour, I'm using this NYX Cream Liquid Contour, and I'm just doing little dots all around the areas I contour, like in the cheeks and the nose and underneath the lip, the chin, the forehead, the spots I always contour in. And now I'm just blending that out with this is a stipple brush from NYX, and it's so good to blend out your contour. I love this brush so much. It's like a round stipple brush. Okay, so now to set my face, I'm using the Colorina Makeup Studio banana powder, and I just sort of baked with it a bit, but I just packed up my brush with it and added a lot of it, and I left it on there for some time. And while it was kind of setting my under eyes, I used the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir powder. I've been loving that powder so much. It has really good coverage, leaves the skin really nice and smooth, and I also cleaned up that banana powder underneath with that. Now to contour even more and bronze up the skin, I'm using another NYX bronzer. It's a little duo of contour and highlight. For blush, another NYX product. I just love NYX, and I have a lot from the NYX Face Awards, and I just love using them. So now I'm using this highlighter by Melody Space. These are really beautiful highlighters. They're holographic highlighters, and this one's like a bluish, purplish, pinkish type of highlighter. It's really beautiful. Now going back into the eyes, just in the under eyes and my lash line, just applying a bit of blue. And now in the inner eye corners, I just applied some pigment glue, and now I'm just adding some purple glitter, because why not? We all need a bit of glitter in our lives, of course, to sparkle everything up. And I'm just applying some in my inner eye corners and some glitter in my eyebrows too. I actually enjoyed this so mude. I just thought, well, why not, you know? And I just love it. It's just a gold glitter. It's so beautiful. And now for lips, I'm using this nude-ish type of lip liner. It's called Rock and Rose. I've used it a lot on my channel. It's by Jordana. I love the Jordana lip liners. They're cheap, they're affordable, and they're so smooth and so good. I just love them. And now I'm using a Laura Geller lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful, and I usually hate lip glosses because I don't like wearing lip glosses, but this one I can pass, and it's really great. Now I'm using the Bite Cosmetics lipstick duos, and I'm using the gold shade in the center, and now just setting my face with some setting spray. And now for lashes, I'm just using some liquid lashes from NYX, apply some mascara, and that's it.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. Feel free to leave any comments, questions, or new ideas for looks that you would like to see. And yeah, thank you guys for always watching. Please go and check out my social media so you can get updates on all my looks and my stuff. It'll be linked down below. And yeah, love you guys. Bye. Bye.